What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tasha's on Adventure. Today at this place. Haven't caught anything out of here in probably a couple of months, but water's up pretty high, things are moving around. We're gonna give it a whirl. Let's see what we can do. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back once I get my stuff out of the truck. So alright, guys, so I might be the only angler you guys know that brings 8 rods to the pond, but I don't like to not catch fish at this place, and it's been confusing every time I've gone. So I'm just throwing the kitchen sink, but I'm also bringing one of my buddy's lures, 8-it lures. I'm trying to throw this thing around today. Rain really started coming down pretty much right after I got out there, which is pretty crazy. It's not gonna stop me though. So, all right, guys, let's get on start. Just gotta get a jacket. Yeah, I was getting soaked. You see how I'm soaked? Still going up. So try to buzz bait, chatter bait, spinner bait, Texas rig, couple things, man. Yeah. Switch up on the shallow diving, super shallow diving crankbait. Switch up to the 8-it. See if I can get some. So far, only like one kind of sort of bite, not really, but a little bit of current moving in, rain coming down. See what we can do. Alright, guys, so here I started throwing around the 8-it lures crankbait. I felt like I needed something to get down a little deeper, but move a little faster and provide some vibration and noise. So I switched up to the crankbait, and sure enough, a few casts in, got bit, guys. So 8-it lures. Oh, big one, first fish of the day. Came on the 8-it lures. Let this guy go. Tried one more spot out at the Ruffins Pond, no luck there, so decided to call it a day. Alright, guys, so wraps up today's video. Didn't quite get done what I wanted to get done, but it's all good. Managed to pull out one bass on the crankbait, one bite on the Texas rig, and wrapping things up. The rain started coming down pretty bad, then we got some stuff come up, so I'm gonna have to cut our trip a little short. But all in all, got out. Wish I got out earlier when it was nice and outside, but whatever. I'll be back at it. Hopefully, it's supposed to rain and stuff all week, so it's gonna be tough to get out, but I'll figure it out. So one bass again on the 8-it lures crankbait, so be sure I'll link them below, guys. Be sure to check them out, the 8-it lures. Awesome company, veteran owned. Really cares about people just in general, man. Just wanting to do everything they can to help a fellow angler, man. Helped me out in plenty of times when I got in a tough spot. So extremely thankful for 8-it lures. My buddy Mike. So be sure to check them out. They're on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll link the website here below. But be sure to reach out, tell them that Bass and Fury sent you though. Make sure to tell them. I would really appreciate it, guys. So again, thanks for tuning in today, guys. Another episode of Ty's Fishing Adventure. And look at my hair, that's awful. But I'll be back with you guys soon. And as always, peace.